Thank you so much. Welcome back. We continue. Please like it, comment, share the link, and subscribe. Here we go. 4 towns A, B, C, and of course D are on the Earth's surface. Take pi to be what? And my R to be that one. Sketch the surface of the Earth showing all the 4 towns A, B, C, and D. Ladies and gentlemen, before we answer this question, let's remind one another on how to do this question. Number one, we should understand the position. How do we write the position of the points on the Earth's surface? So we always start with any position P, just like in coordinate form. It's the longitude, it's the latitude, followed by the longitude. So please start with the latitude, followed by the longitude. So this is the one thing you should remember. What else are we supposed to remember? We should remember what we are from talking about. We are saying distance along the longitude is always theta times 60. When my R is equal to 34, 37 Newton miles. Please remember that this is the formula when my R is in Newton miles. What about along the latitude is equal to theta times 60 times cos x when this distance is along the what? This one is along the longitude. This one is along the latitude. I hope I've clarified that. We should remind one another before we tackle this question. What else? There is a word sketch there. Remember, longitudes, all longitudes are shown. They are shown. All longitudes are shown by arrows. They are shown by arrows. Please, all longitudes are shown by arrows. So that's what we'll be looking at. So when you are sketching, make sure that longitudes are shown by what? Arrows. So the first thing, you have to draw the Earth surface. This is my Earth surface. If this is my Earth surface, remember you are in an exam, we have no time. So if you look at it, we have got 70 north, we have got 70 north, we have got 70 south, we have got 70 south. So it means automatically the latitude on the north is supposed to be 70. This is the 70 north. I told you that we start with the latitude. So I know this is the latitude, this is the latitude, this is the latitude, this is the latitude. So we have got another 70 south. The 70 south, ladies and gentlemen, is there. So there we go. This is 70 south. What else am I? You can see it's a matter of showing 70 this side. If you want, you can also show both sides, doesn't matter. But for the longitude, I can see 65. I can see 65, 65, 65, 65, meaning that it is just the 65 which I'm interested in. This is the longitude. This is the longitude. So what longitude is this? I said it is shown by the arrow. You show by the arrow, it says 65 west. Why have I said west? I've seen 65 west, 65, and then we've got another 65 east. So this is another 65. So this is another 65 shown by an arrow. When you show by an arrow, you show this is 65 east. And this is the north, this is the south. Please, you are sketching. What else are they talking about? They are saying I should show clearly what a point A. So I start now showing the point A. I said, okay, Angel, I can see this one 70 north. It is 70 north and it is somewhere there. So this is my A. My A is there. What else? My B 70 north. And then this is my B. And this is my B. What else? I can see 70 south. That is my C. And of course 60 east. So this is my C. You can see this is my C. I can see another one which is D, which is 70 south. 70 south, mind you, this is 70 north. 70 north. This is 70 north. So now we are saying I can see another one D. I can see 70 south, latitude 70 south, which is here. And then we have got the 65. So this is my D. Ladies and gentlemen, I feel these are the points which they have asked us, and this is the earth they have sketched. So in short, what is important? What is the prior knowledge? Prior knowledge you should have, a prerequisite knowledge is that the prerequisite knowledge that you should be able to understand the positioning. We start with the latitude, longitude. I was able to identify that I need these latitudes, the north, and I need the south. 70. That's why I was able to sketch them like this. So that is about sketching, and this is number I would say B, of course, part 1. B part 1, and then there we go. They are saying the photons. Now calculate the distance. Calculate the distance in nautical miles. So here, calculating in nautical miles the distance. So AB, we are talking about AB. This is the distance along the latitude. So distance along the latitude, I've already talked about it, is here, ladies and gentlemen. Just the distance is equal to theta times 60 cos x. So I have to establish what is my theta. What is my theta? It is A, it is found this side. B is found this side, so it is the same as 65 plus 65, because the other one is found in the west, the other one is in the east. When you do the correct thing, you are going to get 130 degrees. And this is my theta. You slot it here. You say, okay, distance is equal to 130 multiplied by 60 multiplied by cos. We are talking about cos. We are talking about where the 2 points A and B, or 2 towns A and B are lying. They are lying on 70 north. So no need of putting 70 north, just the 70. So ladies and gentlemen, here the calculator can be of good help. It can be of good help. Use the calculator. Say 130 times 60 multiplied by cos. The cos is the latitude where those 2 points are. Please, you are going to get this point. The distance is equal to 266.7.75. Please write this figure. Write all the figure. The whole figure you see on the calculator. Mind you, these are nautical miles to 3 significant figures. 1, 2, 3. The neighbor to this one is 7. So it means it will be 2, of course, 670 nautical miles. It means I've answered this question. So ladies and gentlemen, what is important is to establish that it is along the latitude. Since it is along the latitude, so we are going to use this formula. What is this formula? The formula is equal to D equals to theta times 60. So meaning we are going to use this formula where we are saying distance is equal to theta times 60 times cos x. And you can say very simple. Make sure that this figure is written in full. Whatever you see on the calculator, write it there. To 3 significant figures, we start counting from our left. 1, 2, 3. Who's the neighbor? The neighbor is always on the right. You can see this is the whole number. We take 1, give it to this 6, and become 7. This is replaced by 0. It means I've corrected it to 3 significant figures. So next we are saying find BC. Ladies and gentlemen, how do we find BC? BC, you agree with me that this is the distance along the longitude, which is equal to theta is equal to 60. So let's find first of all theta. I'm looking at which one is this. This is BC. How do we find BC? BC is equal to theta times 60. Now I have to find BC. You can see it is north. This is south, both 70. So 70 plus 70. You agree with me that my theta is equal to 140. So now it's a matter of multiplying. You say theta is equal to 140. Should multiply by 60. Of course, the calculator is there. You are allowed to use a calculator in this paper, whereby you say 140 multiply by 60. And of course, you are going to enjoy it to be 8,400 Newton miles. So, ladies and gentlemen, I hope you have enjoyed. I said you have to trying to emphasize that it is along this one which I have already sketched. 65 watt east. This is the longitude. These points B and BC. So you can see they are sharing the same longitude but different latitude. So one it is in the north, the other one is the south. That's why we have added once more. This won't carry any mark, but it is leading you to the question. At least you can get a mark there because you can say you have used this method. Ladies and gentlemen, for the nautical miles, no need of us using the theta, the pi there, no need of us using the pi. I think this is saving a lot of time. All the best. God bless you. So our next question will be looking at kilometers. Again, we'll be looking at kilometers since we have dealt with now nautical miles. We have done nautical miles. We have seen also sketching. Sketching once more, I said we show the longitudes by arrows. We show the longitudes by what? Arrows. We are showing by the arrows here. You see that there are arrows there by arrows, which longitudes are shown by arrows. So this is the longitude. All latitude, you just put them at the end like this. So that's the thing. So unless there are some questions, please, any comment, you are free to drop your comment, share the link. Of course, you can also smile with your friend to say Mr. Saube is there. I'm sure we are able to get what he's teaching. Thank you so much. God bless you. Thank you. Fellow viewers, I believe for today we are doing the last question. This paper came in one of the papers. I won't tell you the year so that you can go and discover. It says the points A, B, C, and D are on the surface of the earth as shown in the diagram. Of course, I should take this to be my area, my radius. Once more, you have seen that they have given us the pi, 3.142, and they have given us the radius. Now it is in kilometers. It's not always that it is in nautical miles. So these are some of the information you should look for. The other thing is you should understand that for kilometers, of course, most teachers, they emphasize that we should use this method. Of course, along the longitude, it will be multiplied by 2 pi capital R. My R in this case is that this is the distance along the longitude. This is the distance along the longitude. So along the longitude, that's the distance. So the distance along the latitude, theta over 360, 2 pi r cos x. So this is the formula along the what? The latitude. This is along the latitude. Ladies and gentlemen, fellow viewers, remember to subscribe. Let's share the link, and of course, so that we support this channel. I hope you are enjoying, and I've appreciated some of the comments you are passing. Here we go. So now we are going to look at how to answer the first question. It says, find the difference in latitude between A and D. As I told you that this the Earth, you won't see the lines, but these are imaginary lines. So they are talking about AD. They are talking about AD. They are talking about AD. How do you get the difference in latitude? Latitude, of course, you can see they are sharing the same longitude. So latitude, the difference. Solution to this problem is okay. Solution. This is part 1. Solution, it is theta. Of course, the difference is always in degrees. So this one is found in the north, 50 north. The other one is found in the south. So you just have to add the two. Please, it's very important to show how you are getting the difference, and of course it will be 100 degrees. Please, ladies and gentlemen, show that. Why have we added? Because the other one is found in the northern hemisphere, the other one is in the southern hemisphere. This is how we get this. Next, now allow me to talk about the distance, part 2, in kilometers along AB. Along AB. We are talking about along AB. Along AB, ladies and gentlemen, it is this. They are talking about this one in kilometers. So with me, I won't use this method. We are not going to use this method. No. From today onwards, we'll be using this method, which is 1 90, then theta cos. Here it goes along the what? Along the long latitude, so cos x. So this is our formula. Our formula is that, remember this is our formula, that 111.19, and of course theta cos x. So this is our new method, and this is what we'll be using. No need of us using this method. Instead we use this one. If for the sake of just to prove, you can use this if you find the same ones. How do I get AB? I said first of all I should find the theta because this is in the formula. So I should find the theta between these two. AB. AB, here it is on the 20 west, the other one is 40. So when you add theta 20 plus 40, you agree with me that theta is equal to 60. From there, both are on which latitude? They are on what? On 50. So my distance is equal to 111.19 multiplied by 60 multiplied by cos. Both of them, they are found on cos 50. Please, here the calculator is being invited. We invite the calculator. So now when we invite the calculator, you agree with me that I have a situation like to say, you just have to do it nicely. Don't panic, take your time. There is no hurry in Zambia. 123.19. I hope the camera is able to catch the calculation there. Multiply by 60. So again multiply by cos 50. So the answer you get is that one. You get something like, this number is very, very important to write everything. Say 42.293259. So to three significant figures, you agree with me that 1, 2, 3. So this will be 4290 kilometers. So ladies and gentlemen, we have found the distance in kilometers. So this is very sweet. Instead of us using 2 pi r what. So please go for this method. I'm sure you are going to enjoy it. Thank you so much. Before we go to the next question, please, for Earth geometry paper 2, we are trying to wind up. Of course, I'll come back for paper 1, but in the meantime, what are we looking at? We are looking at the distance in kilometers AB. They are looking at AB along the latitude 50. They have also guided us latitude 50. So the 50 they have mentioned, this is the 50, latitude 50. Now we have to look for theta in our formula. So that's what we have done. Thank you so much. Go to the next question. How do we get the distance along BC? BC, ladies and gentlemen, it's along the 40 east. They have already emphasized BC. It is along this longitude 40 east, longitude 40 east. Now the formula is so simple. You are going to enjoy it. How do we find the distance? We are saying that distance is equal to 111. This is in kilometers. 111 theta. That's all. So this is how we find the distance along the longitude. It is 111.19 theta. Of course, I have to look for theta. What is my theta between these two? Which points am I looking at? I'm looking at BC. I'm looking at BC, distance BC. Distance BC, I have to look at theta. You can see here I've got 50, 50 north, 50 south. So you add them. So it is 50 plus another 50. You are going to get 100. So this 100 you have found, it's a matter of just bring it here. So okay, distance is equal to 111.19, of course, multiplied by 100. You agree with me that this point will move 2 times. So on this one, I feel I'm better than the calculator, because it's a matter of moving this point to move 1, 2, so it will be somewhere there. So it will be 1, 1, 1, 1, 9. Of course, that's the point is here now. Now I have to wind up to 3 significant figures. So distance is equal to 1, 2, 3. It is less than what? 5. 1, 2, 3. So less than, they are replaced by zeros, kilometers. So ladies and gentlemen, you can see that this is the distance, of course, along the longitude, and it is so beautiful and nice. Thank you so much. Time saving. I love you. God bless you. Tell your neighbor, say neighbor, I'm sure today it was a lovely day. Earth geometry, 6 marks. You have pocketed them. 6 points are being made. Thank you so much. I believe you can do it. God bless you. Cheers. Thank you.